Do you really need a website to launch your coaching business? The answer, not always, but if you're going to have one, it better be strategic, because a coaching website that's just a digital business card, that's not gonna get you clients. But a luxury conversion-focused website, that's a client magnet. Today, I'm sharing how I design websites for my clients, what we include, what we skip, and what makes all the difference when it comes to building trust and booking clients. Hey, I'm Moriah Riona, award-winning luxury brand designer, luxury branding coach, and the host of Super Bloom Coach podcast. And this is Super Bloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business. This is your roadmap to launching with confidence, attracting high-ticket clients, and building a brand that's just as elevated as the transformation you offer. If you haven't downloaded your free workbook yet, now's the time. The workbook is your companion to this entire series. All right, let's talk websites. What you really need, what you don't, and how to build something that actually books clients. Do you actually need a website to start your coaching business? Here's what I believe. You don't need a website on day one. If you have an irresistible offer, a way to connect with your audience, and a system to accept payments, you can start getting clients. But my clients hire me because they're ready to grow, attract higher paying clients, and elevate their brand presence. And that's when the website becomes essential. A coaching website shouldn't just be a box you check. It should work for you. It should build trust, tell your story, and move people toward the decision to work with you. That's what we create for my clients, a high-end brand experience online, not just a digital brochure. Why I never start with the website. Here's the thing. Most clients come to me wanting a website. They've been told they need one to be taken seriously. They've likely even DIY'd a version on their own or tried to hire someone on the cheap and can't figure out why it's not working. But here's what I tell every coach I work with. We don't start with the website. Ever. Because a website on its own is a waste of your money. And if you haven't done the work to figure out what you're actually offering and who it's for and why it matters, that website is going to feel empty, confusing, generic. When I work with my private clients, we always begin with brand strategy. We define their niche, we clarify their offer, we dial in their message. We uncover the transformation they provide, and we start building a brand that reflects that value. And only then, after we've laid that strategic foundation, do we move on to the website. Because now we have direction, we have clarity, we know exactly who we're speaking to and what they need to hear. A website isn't a business card, it's a journey. Here's what most coaches get wrong. They think a website is just a page that says, hey, I'm here, I'm a coach, hire me. But that's not how people buy. That's not how your dream client makes decisions. When I design a luxury coaching website, I'm not just creating pages. I'm building a journey, and it starts the second someone lands on the homepage. They're usually not ready to buy yet. They're curious, probably even a little skeptical. So we meet them where they are. We acknowledge their struggles. We speak directly to their goals, and we invite them in. From there, the site gently guides them through the story. Here's who the coach is. Here's the transformation that's possible. Here's what's next. It's not about cramming every credential or offering every option. It's about focus, flow, feeling. Every element is intentional. From the headline at the top to the call to action at the bottom, every word and image is placed to build trust, create emotional connection, and to move that visitor from curious to committed. When my team and I design websites this way, after strategy, after messaging, with the client journey beautifully mapped out, the site becomes more than a website. It becomes a sales tool, a trust builder, a client conversion machine. And when my clients launch, they don't have to hustle. They don't have to explain their value over and over. Their brand and their website does it for them. That's the difference between a DIY website and a luxury brand experience. That's what we build every single time. So if you're wondering how to go from just a website to a thoughtful client journey, I'm about to share some of my best tips. What to include on your coaching website. Here are a few of the vital elements I include on every single coaching website I design, because these pieces actually move people toward working with you. First, a clear brand promise. Right on the homepage. This is the first thing someone sees. It's not, "Hi, I'm a life coach." It's, "Here's who I help. Here's how, here's the transformation." This one line should grab attention and tell people they're in the right place. Second, an about page that's actually not about you. Most coaches make this page a timeline of their life, but at Moriah Riona Branding, we do it differently. We position their story in a way that mirrors their client's journey, so it builds trust, connection, and lets their visitor know, this is my person. Third, a clear offer section. What do you do? Who is it for? How does it work? We keep it clean and focused on transformation. No jargon, no overwhelm. Fourth, strategic calls to action. Every single page should have a next step. Apply now, book a call, download the freebie. I make sure we're always guiding the visitor toward engagement, not just letting them scroll and bounce. And fifth, social proof and credibility. Even for my clients who are brand new, we find a way to build social proof, whether it's testimonials, transformation stories, media features, or personal wins. We show that they're the real deal. Why DIY websites are a waste of your time and money. There's a huge difference between a DIY website and the kind of site I build for my clients. DIY sites might check the box, but luxury coaching websites do something bigger. They shift perception. They elevate how you're seen. They make you trustworthy. They make your dream client feel like, this is the coach I have to work with. When my clients launch their new brand and website, it's not just a glow up. It's a complete transformation. They get more inquiries, more dream clients, more confidence to show up and sell, because their website finally reflects the value of what they offer. That's what I want you to understand. Your site isn't just a fun design project. It's a sales tool. It's part of your client experience. And when done right, it becomes one of the most powerful parts of your brand. Now that you know how vitally important your website is, I want to know which of my top tips you're going to implement first. Are you going to add a strategic call to action on each page? Are you going to finally reach out to your clients for testimonials? Or are you going to rework your about page? Let me know in the comments below if you're watching this on YouTube, or you can DM me your answer over on Instagram at Moriah Riona. And if you're loving this series, please take just a second to like this video and leave a quick review on Apple Podcasts. It really helps support the show and means the world to me.